Have you ever wondered how you could make between $300 to $1,500 a day with just Google News? In this video, I'll show you a proven method that works worldwide without needing any special degrees or qualifications. You don't need to be tech-savvy or have a ton of experience. By the end of this video, you'll know how to convert trending news into cash. Plus, I'll share some insider tips to maximize your earnings, so make sure to stick around. Alright, if you've ever wondered how to turn your writing skills into a profitable venture, then this guide is for you. First, open up Google and head over to Google News. You'll land on this massive hub of local and global news that updates constantly. What you want to do is pick out some news topics that catch your eye. Google News offers various categories like tech, business, sports, entertainment, science, and health, all neatly laid out on the menu bar. The most suggested niche right now is health and business topics, so that's where I'll start. Step 1. Picking the right niche. I'll skim through the business section for a few minutes and let you know what I find interesting. Okay, here's the article I've chosen to work with. It's a piece from Fortune about a study linking artificial intelligence to entrepreneurship and employees. The article is long and detailed, which is perfect for this method. Step 2. Rewriting the content. Next, the recommendation is to head over to spinbot.com. It's suggested in many tutorials because it's free and easy to use. Now, let's see how it performs. Copy the entire Fortune article and paste it into Spinbot. The tool doesn't require any extra payment, so it's free so far. Now, let's check the quality of this rewrite. Let's compare the first paragraphs. The original text says, the rewritten text from Spinbot reads, honestly, it seems like Spinbot just swapped out a few words with synonyms, and wrong meanings doesn't help either. It feels like a machine rewrite, and the viral videos promise it's plagiarism-free because it's 100% rewritten. But if you're thinking this is just repurposing someone else's work, you're not alone. I had my doubts too. Instead of using a basic Spinbot tool, I suggest using other tools. Even the free version of ChatGPT can give better results without grammar mistakes. Here's a prompt you can use. Fortune text into ChatGPT. Now, let's compare the first paragraph generated by ChatGPT to the original. The ChatGPT's version says, so basically, ChatGPT took the essence of the article and created a completely new piece with a different structure and summarized the original information. Step 3. Sending your article. Following the next step, we head to eatingwell.com to find the writer's guidelines page and an editor's email. Despite searching, I couldn't find this guideline page, but I did find an email for Julia W. and followed through with the method by sending her my rewritten article. Surprisingly, I got an email reply quickly, but the email said this address no longer exists. It makes sense though. If an editor's email is flooded with thousands of low-quality submissions, they would probably shut it down. As someone who worked as a content manager and editor, I can tell you that even smaller websites get hundreds of emails daily from people wanting to publish their work. If my inbox was spammed with low-quality submissions, it would make my job impossible. This is likely why Eating Well and some websites don't accept article submissions anymore. And here's the part many viral videos miss. Respectable online magazines will not publish a story, even if it's rewritten, without giving credit to the original source. If you send a Google News story rewritten by ChatGPT and pretend it's your work, they will figure it out and blacklist your email. Editors know the fresh news sources and can recognize reused content. Now, this method might not be as simple as those viral videos claim, but you can still make money as a content writer. There are websites that pay for quality content. For instance, ProBlogger.com lists numerous writing opportunities. Click on jobs, and you may find options from entertainment to tech and real estate. ProBlogger is a goldmine for writers. You can find job postings for blog writers, content creators, and more. Some jobs are remote, while others might require a contract or a full-time commitment. For example, there's a job for a B2B blog writer, which requires articles around 1,200 to 1,500 words with research-backed insights and practical tips. They even provide a Google form link to submit your application. Just copy the link, paste it into your browser, and fill out the form. Another site to consider is Blasting News. This platform is unique because it combines traditional news with a social aspect. Writers, called blasters, can earn up to $20 for every 1,000 views. If your article goes viral, you could make a huge amount of money. Plus, Blasting News helps promote your work, making it easier to get readers. Listverse is another option. They pay $100 for a well-written list of about 1,500 words. They're looking for unique and interesting ideas, so creativity is key. They are selective, so make sure you meet their criteria before submitting. And for longer, in-depth stories, Longreads is a great platform. They offer up to $500 for compelling essays and stories. However, they are very selective and do not accept AI-written content, so ensure your submissions are high quality and original. Step 4. Starting your own blog. Writing for established websites is one way to earn, but consider starting your own blog. While you might not get paid immediately, blogging can turn into a six-figure business over time. After a year of blogging, your income can replace your daily job salary. Starting a blog might seem daunting, but it's a worthwhile investment in your future. Begin by choosing a niche you're passionate about. It could be anything from tech reviews to travel experiences. The key is to provide valuable content that attracts readers. Here's a quick guide to get your blog up and running. Number 1. Choose a niche. Pick a topic you're passionate about and that has a broad audience. It should be something you can write about consistently. Number 2. Set up your blog. Use platforms like WordPress or Blogger to set up your site. These platforms offer customizable templates to help you get started. Number 3. Create quality content. Focus on creating valuable, engaging content. Use headlines that grab attention and include visuals to make your posts more appealing. Number 4. Promote your blog. Share your posts on social media, join blogging communities, and use SEO techniques to increase your visibility. Number 5. Monetize your blog. Once you have a steady flow of traffic, explore ways to monetize your blog. This could be through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling your products and services. Step 5. Building your brand. Another crucial aspect of making money online through writing is networking and building your brand. Connect with other writers, join online communities, and participate in forums related to your niche. Networking can lead to collaboration opportunities, guest posting, and more visibility for your work. Building a personal brand is essential. Create a professional social media presence, showcase your work on platforms like LinkedIn, and engage with your audience regularly. The more you establish yourself as an authority in your niche, the more opportunities will come your way. The online writing world is always evolving, so it's crucial to keep learning and improving. Take online courses, read up on the latest trends in your niche, and always be open to feedback. Improving your writing skills and staying updated with industry trends will keep you ahead of the competition. Also, don't just rely on one method to make money. Diversify your income streams by exploring different writing opportunities. You can write for blogs, magazines, news sites, while also working on your blog. Additionally, offering writing services like ghostwriting, copywriting, or creating content for businesses. If you're really into writing but you don't see yourself working to create blog posts, then we have more options for you. It's all about creating engaging content for affiliate marketing and social media ads. You can watch full tutorials about these in our videos.